Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you stay updated with all the latest QA tips and tricks. Today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to write Jira Subtask or any subtask for your QA testing using a real world example. So here is my ChatGPT, and you can go there and let's say we have a so here is ChatGPT, and you have to give this prompt. The prompt is anything you type and have a chat conversation with the chat GPT. So that's why it's called chat GPT. So let's say I say write list of QA subtask for this acceptance criteria, and you hit the enter button and you will get this. But what you need to do is you need to refine your prompt, so you will get all these nice things. This is good, but you cannot directly copy paste this. So let's wait for this, and you can say something like this. You need all these subtasks as one sentence, so you can copy paste and put it in and create a subtask easily. So this is a lot of criteria, and writing subtask in Jira could take a while, but with the help of ChatGPT we got this one. But still we need to refine this. So in the prompt you need to say rewrite these subtasks in this style, and the style is like when I do this, usually QS write like this, write verify. When I do this I get this result or expect this outcome. So when you hit that enter button, it will give you this list of things. So you can see here it rewrote the entire thing in one line. So this is easy. So all you need to do is verify. When I provide an email address, it is accepted. When I provide an invalid email address, I get an error message. So this saves you a lot of time. So you can just simply go to Jira and you can paste these subtasks cover all aspects of the acceptance criteria, and it made sure that each one is tested thoroughly. So you can see here, it's first of all copy pasting this saves time, and instead of you thinking about all these scenarios, the thinking time is also reduced. So all you can even say that remove bullets, just give me the task. So it'll give you sometime like this. So this is what is called prompt engineering. Whatever you say, you need to say it in a proper way that ChatGPT can understand. You can say it now created everything in one big paragraph. So you have to say I want the subtask in separate lines. So this way you will get each subtask separate lines. So why I did this? Because this way is even easy to copy. So you can go each line and copy and paste it in this thing, or you can just copy everything and then paste it in the comments or anywhere you want. So by using ChatGPT you can save time and ensure that you don't miss any critical details when writing your Jira subtask or your testing scenarios. And remember, while ChatGPT is a powerful tool, always review the content. You just simply cannot blindly do that. Of course, this saved you typing time and thinking time, but go through it, review it to make sure it aligns with your project specific requirements. And this is one of the most important thing that will help you save time. And it can be any criteria. So if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have used ChatGPT to help with your QA tasks. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and I will see you in the next video in the following series on more tips on how to use ChatGPT for QA and dev productivity to make our lives easier and save time and make our work more productive. So happy testing, and I will see you in the next series in this ChatGPT, using ChatGPT to make your life, to make your work even more productive. Thank you.